Hello, Bill. This is Bear from Elliott Wave, and today, as you can see, we're going to take a look at the Nasdaq, as promised in yesterday's video. Before we get started, once again, thank you for all you new subscribers. I see the channel is slowly growing, and the growth is, let's say, it's in a bullish trend. So let's keep it that way, people. If you appreciate my work, all I ask for is a like and subscribe. And if you want to stay updated, just subscribe. Really, it's absolutely free, and you're really helping me out a lot. So that out of the way, let's get into the video. So today I came up with, so what we're going to do is, you can see this is my long-term account. What we're going to do is we're going to focus on this move up here. Now, considering we could be, it appears like we are in this wave 3. It is possible that we are close to a wave 1 of primary degree, down into upside towards, and this wave 5 ends up here. Now, it is possible, but yeah, just had to say that. So we're gonna investigate what is happening very soon. But if we're looking for equality of 3 against 1, then 35,000. If we're looking for 1.618, it's 338,000. As usual, is it realistic? People, it's always the same thing. If we went from here to here, it's possible to go from here to there. It's absolutely possible. Remember, this is a log scale. So what is nice about the log scale is that if you take the same length, it'll be the same percentage. So this is about 1700%. And is it about the same length? Might be a bit less. And as you can see, actually it was the same, almost the same length, almost 17,000%. So that's log scale. In the log scale, same length will equal same percentage. This will not happen in the what people call arithmetic scale, which is actually exponential scale. Yeah, so you guys, that's one of the nice properties of the log. It's basically because the log of something to the power is equal to that something, the power times the log. So log of 2 to the second is equal to 2 times the log of 2. Yes, I am, if you guys don't know, I have a degree in mathematics and I'm doing my master in mathematics. So, but I do enjoy Elliott Wave. Anyways, I will leave you the timestamp so you just keep the rant. Let's focus on this move right here. Okay, so as you can see, I'm assuming a wave 4 is in place. Is it safe to assume it is in place at this time? I would say absolutely. You never know, but I would say that with a high degree of confidence that it is. So let's see some counts. So count number 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here wave 3, a very nasty correction in wave 4, upside for wave 5. Okay. We end wave 1 of cycle 5, which is here. And at that point, we could easily target $350,000. Okay? Remember, all of this will not unfold in a matter of a couple of years. It could take 8, 10 years. So that's why it's realistic. Okay, so that is possible. I'll show you all the counts and then we'll investigate this move up here, okay? So that's one out of the way. The other one is we have a wave 1 and 2 in place. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down in 4, up in 5. We've had a sharp correction in wave 2. And we're now already resuming higher. And we could be in the making of some sort of a intermediate wave 1, okay? 1, 2, maybe 3 even goes here. And then we are in some sort of intermediate wave 1, okay? So that was another one. And this one, which is the new one, suggests, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes, I'm a fan of 1, 2s. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4. We're now into wave 5 of 3. Then pull back in 4, up in 5. If I'm not mistaken, this should be pretty much in line with the S&P. Where with the S&P, I'm expecting upside into wave 3, down in 4, up in 5. And at that point, we could be, the S&P is a bit different, but basically what I'm saying is larger correction upside and then something larger of some degree, right? Don't really, I mean, don't focus too much on this, but that is possible. Okay, so back to us. That is possible. I'm gonna take you now to the hourly. Awesome. So with this count, my best guess is this could be some sort of a WXY or ABC, some sort of flat correction. It's really possible. ABC, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe possible. You get the point. Now, as you probably know, if you watched the last week update, this pisses me off. Okay, so the best thing I can come up with is this. Otherwise, we start to have some web invalidation because wave 3 becomes the shortest. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Now, what I absolutely don't like about this count is the fact this wave 4 is much larger than this wave 2. So this is actually a red flag, which I usually get many from women. God, sorry people. But you get my point. It's just so much larger than this wave 2. Okay, so that really, I don't know. It is a red flag. Now, you can say, okay, Barrett, but what if maybe a leading diagonal here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good point. Good point. This wave 3 will be the shortest. It will be shorter than 1. It will be shorter than 5. Hence the shortest. And validation. So that's impossible. Which it's what mostly what pisses me off. So I mean, yeah, I really don't know. I mean, that's the best count. That's the only way I can count it, to be honest. Now in the other count, as you saw, I think it was this one. Oopsie. Sorry. Awesome. This one here, we have a bottom place here. So basically what I'm saying is this is a wave 1. Is it? I mean, you can force 5 ways, but let's be honest. It looks like 3, right? A, B, C. So because of that, the problem is I cannot put wave 4 here, because if I do, then it's in no sense. Wave 4 ends where wave 3 begins. Not possible. So what this is suggesting me is that this count is wrong. So let's do this. So either we put a wave 3 in here and 4 here. And did I have this count? Nope. Okay, sorry about that. So basically, and I had it. I don't know why it's not here anymore. Something like this, basically. A 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Here I can count 5. I remember that. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is possible. So that count, forget about it. And here the same subdivision. Why? Because I just can't, people. I just can't. So it's possible we are soon, we're close to a top once again, as I said. So it really depends, I guess. Yeah, this, like, it's not possible, right? Because I said this is not a 1, 2. So I'll keep this, maybe wave 2 goes here, but I don't like it. I don't like this. This is like not my preferred count. My preferred one is either this one or this one. Okay, and to be honest, let's draw some channels. Look at how we keep finding support on the baseline of the channel. This is quite interesting. It could say that I'm right. It could say that I'm wrong. I don't know, but it is interesting. And in addition to that, what could we do? Let's look for Fibonacci targets. Let's look at 1.618, 5 against 1, considering 5 was very short, 23,000. I guess it's possible. Yes, I can see that happening. 22 is very important. But if we find support on 22, then 23 is the next one, and then 25, 28. So yeah, I can see further upside for sure. But I do see something larger coming soon. But there could be definitely much more upside. So this, once again, this alongside with, this one, my favorite counts. What is different is here we are closer to a larger top. Here we have a bit more room to go, which it will make sense with the S&P. Now I can be wrong on the S&P. I can be wrong on both. I can be wrong on this. I don't know. That's the way I see it. As usual, people, comments, questions, remarks, let me know down in the comments. And I will take a quick look at the DAX because one of you asked, a very loyal, can I say loyal, viewer, watcher, subscriber. So thank you very much. He always comments my videos. So I'm happy to take a look at the DAX, which I used to take a look at, to be honest. Just as Europe reports, so this was my count for the DAX. You could argue it's, so let's do a revision. I've always been bullish on the DAX, but I haven't really looked at this count in might be a year, honestly, or at least 3 to 4 months. Okay, non-volatile. So this is gonna be my preferred count. Intermediate, awesome, sweet. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. Here you can investigate here. Let me zoom in a bit. So here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I never watch I don't watch my videos because I make them, but I hope it's all clear on if you're on your phone. I try to zoom in, but I always like to take a look at the bigger picture. Now I'm on my monitor, it's a 27-inch, so I see pretty clearly, but I hope everything is fine on if you're on your phone. Okay, so too many colors. 1, 2 here. Fib targets as usual. 0.618, yeah, can easily get to 80,000. Oh, 80 is a very important number, so yeah, easily 80,000. And yeah, pretty bullish, as you can see. 1, 2. You can even argue. Perhaps you can squeeze. You could probably count this as 1, 2. Primary, 1, 2 primary, 1, 2. So this is the same degree. This is primary 3, primary 4, primary 5 to end cycle wave 3. That is also possible. So that's a DAX, and okay, let's take a quick look at the intraday, and then we'll end the video. If you, as usual, if you appreciate, please just subscribe and leave a like. It really helps. Let's grow the sub counts, and if you enjoy the coin, sorry, I keep asking for it. I sound desperate, which I am. Okay, so here a bit of a mess. My apologies, people. I will fix this. I promise. I'll do it off camera. I'll clean things up. So ignore this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 3 is shorter than 1. Okay, so 5 must be shorter than 3. But that limits a bit the upside, doesn't it? Yeah. Is it? Wait a minute. Yeah, we could be close to a major top. We'll see. Otherwise, this is wrong, and we need to. Yeah, I can come up. I think how long? I think I'm being too long, people. I'll just make a separate video on the DAX. Yeah, I'll do that. Thank you for watching, and have a happy weekend, everyone. I'll see you in the next one.